this happy place?
I'm at the Montecito.
Where you at?
The Montecito.
The Montecito.
It's really
I'm so excited for you. Look, there's a smiley face. We are happy place. I don't know what that store is over there, but that fit perfect. I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on. All right, we did the $20 tip trick as we checked into the Mandalay Bay, and we were upgraded to this beautiful room. This is the suite. So I just came in, there's the door. And you got this beautiful piece of art. I do like the artwork here at the rooms. There's a lovely mirror here. Hello. Oh look, I'm on video, honey. There's matching doors if you need it to another room, but we do not. And then this is the room. Hi, honey.
This is the best view.
Is that the best? That is the best view right there. And so this is bigger than any hotel we've stayed at yet, I think.
Yeah.
So they have the, you know, all the regular stuff. Don't touch this stuff. And don't touch, and we didn't use that. We just checked in, so they didn't refill it, I guess. And the girl at check-in said, the mini bar is evil, so don't go in there because everything's weight censored and you will be charged.
As soon as you touch it.
Look at all the drawer space. Of course, you gotta have a TV. And then there's a couple charging. Hopefully these ones work. They didn't work in the last hotel we were at. But that's okay. And look, so there's a little table and chairs over here. Whole little living room over there. And we're staying here for like a night and a half. Yeah. But it's cozy and it's comfy and you don't feel... And there's lots more outlets in a bigger room. So here's our view, because that's what everybody wants to know. There's the airport. Now we could have had another room with a view, just a regular room, or this room with just this view, which isn't bad. There's the strips right down there. So tonight when the lights come on, I'm sure this is all going to be beautiful. We didn't have a strip view. Is that a thing? Strip. And we actually enjoyed having the mountains. They're real tiny over there. Having the mountains in our view in the morning. So we got this strip over here.
We've had great views the whole weekend.
That'll work. Yeah, we've had great views. So this is our room. This is at the Mandalay Bay. First time here. We're very excited because this is where the Montecito was taped for the TV show Vegas. And so let's go over here. And there's more, but wait, there's more. They have the closet with a safe that has 3 doors. This is so fancy. I want this at home now. Ironing board. Slippers for Ernie if he needs them. But like, that's huge. Like, you can put everything in there. There's another set over here. Well, that light didn't work. And the light comes on when you open it. For the luggage rack. Oh, you got to call for the luggage to come up.
Yeah, I do.
And then, this is the reason I think that we took this room. Right here. Because, for 2 reasons. The bathroom is amazing. The beautiful artwork, but look at this tub. It looks like a jacuzzi tub, but it's not. However, I think 4 people could fit in there. My CBD bath bomb will be in there. I'm pretty excited about it. So they got a separate shower.
Look at the shower head.
Oh, look at the shower head. That is pretty cool. Is it tall enough for you?
Yes.
Okay.
They all have beds.
And then, okay. This in each room has been my favorite part of the room, okay? They have the mirror side, and then you have the magnifying mirror side. Holy moly, I need to get that. And, oh yeah, the other hotels had chairs in here for the vanity. But not a problem, it will be a problem. 2 sinks, all the stuff, and then this. There is a TV inside the mirror. It's in the mirror. If I can touch it, if anything happens, it's in the things people come up with. I'm just saying.
You shut it off, it just turns back into a mirror.
Turn it off and you're back to the mirror again. And then just, you know, your private little toilet over here. It's pretty artwork. So that's our room. Pretty excited about that. We're gonna go get our luggage, go have some fun, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't show this because Ernie just saw it. You can actually charge in the lamp. How cool is that? Look how pretty this lamp is. It looks like a tree. Tree bark. Little radio, and there's a charging on the top of that, so that's cool. The last two places we were at did not have bedside. Did the Wynn have bedside?
Huh?
Did the Wynn have bedside charging?
No.
Yeah, so we've had when your alarm clock's on the other side of the room, you actually wake up in the morning to get up to change it. So
You just did. Mine didn't. In the wind.
oh, just one side.
Neither
You're
one of
right.
us
You're
did.
right. So that's exciting. Both sides of the bed have that. All right, I see.